So the funny part was, you know what, the receiver was connected, but I did not start the mic, and I had to again shoot this clip. But yeah, now everything is settled in. As of last night, yeah, it did rain pretty heavily, and that's Mr. Roshan right there. कुछ बोलना है?
I'm just enjoying Goa.
हाँ.
Eating puri and rose on that. Wow, that's
Good to know. So yeah, I mean, as of last night, like I said, it rained pretty heavily, and now it's super hot and humid here in Goa. So I'll definitely shoot some clips, guys, for the rest of the day. So definitely look forward to it. So guys, after that 45 minutes drive, I've made it to Basilica of Bom Jesus Church, Old Goa, and yeah, I'm very excited to visit here once again and make all of my whatever wishes I have in mind, or to say what I want to make it a reality. So that is there, and yeah, come with me. Let's just show you the view around here. This is the view. So of course, I'm sure by most of you who have visited Goa and like know about, which is right behind me, the Basilica of Bom Jesus Church. So as you guys can see, this I don't know if the phone's camera is doing justice, but the place over here, it's pretty damn tiring, to be very honest. Like, to walk right till that end, as you can see, from there you have to go behind or where, I'm not sure, as I've never ever been here, guys, so can't really give out too much details with regards to that. But yeah, apart from that, yeah, as far as this place goes, which is opposite Basilica of Bom Jesus Church, to to maybe click some photos and just like sit for a little bit. This is very much needed, guys, during this weather. Right now it's 1:30 p.m. and I'm genuinely dehydrated, but this right here is a true lifesaver. I can breathe a little bit now, folks. if you know what I mean. Otherwise, it's like I would just have to fall flat on this ground right here and sleep. Let's go to South Goa, baby. 54 minutes, but it's going to be worth the long drive, that's for sure. And this weather is, like I said, crazy hot and humid, but that's the super view right there, which now I can only drive at a speed of 15. Hello. So I had an amazing lunch, guys, at Martin's Corner, and now I'm here at this beautiful sunset beach. Uh, as you can see, there are barely what 15, 20 people. I think maybe even 10 people. So that's the best part. Clicked a lot of photos, good amount of videos. So now it's time to go to the next beach. So stay tuned for that, guys. Woo! Sue! So something little, I won't say shocking, but it was overly surprising, guys. Like I was about to show a couple of my friends inside Starbucks, but then obviously I'm very super aware also of my surroundings. And then even though that glass was foggy, just like how my new car is the front glass, which is a major issue. Luckily, I don't know. I have pretty good sharp eyes, I'll say, and I saw somebody inside, and I was like, no, no, no. Now, definitely, it's not a good time to go inside, but that's what it was. Pretty shocking, I'll say, but overall more surprising. Damn, after 3 days of, I'll say, going out and about, folks, the, not the, or should I say, my health has been affected like to a point when I really didn't think, right, like as of today being Sunday, full day I'll be at home, and of course, exhaustion, tiring, uh, headache, all these kind of things. But okay, it's probably one full day of rest and should be back to normal tomorrow. But that's it for this vlog, guys. And do like, comment, share, subscribe, folks. It would really mean a lot. See you in the next one. Peace.